Welcome back to TechTube. I hope you guys are alright, and in this video I am going to show you how to download Crunchyroll in your Android devices. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to download the Crunchyroll application into your device, you just simply have to go into your Play Store application. And after going into the Play Store, you just simply have to tap into the search tab into the top. After tapping into the search tab, you just simply have to search for Crunchyroll into there and click to the search button. And this Crunchyroll application with the white and orangey logo will appear. Now, in order to install, just simply tap into this install button, and depending on your internet connection, the Crunchyroll application will be downloaded into your device. By following these very easy steps, you can easily download Crunchyroll application into your Android devices. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another future update. Thank you for watching the video.